Let me show you how to disable integrated graphics in Windows. First, right-click on the Start menu icon and select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, select and extend Display Adapters. Now you can see I only have my external GPU here because my CPU doesn't have integrated graphics, but in your case, there are going to be 2 display drivers. Just right-click on the integrated graphics and select Disable Device from here. You may now need to restart your PC. After completing this method, if you have NVIDIA's GPU, just go and open your NVIDIA control panel by right-click on the desktop, go to Show More Options, and click on NVIDIA Control Panel. In this window, select Vantage 3D Settings from the left panel, and in the Global Settings tab. Scroll down to CUDA GPUs. Open this drop-down menu, and select your external GPU from this list. Press OK. The PC will now use your external GPU instead of internal graphics. Don't forget to apply to save these settings. Another thing I will suggest you try from Windows settings is forcing your games and applications to use external GPU more. Just go and open your Start menu and select Settings from above. In the Settings window, select System from the left panel, then click on Display. Scroll down to Related Settings and open the Graphics options. Scroll down again and you will see a list of your installed games and applications. If you can't find your preferred app, simply click on this Add Desktop App button, go and select your executable file and add it. Now extend the selected app from this arrow, and make sure your GPU is selected in GPU Preferences just like this. You can force almost every game and application to use your external GPU by selecting High Performance from here. And that's it.